Cystocele Surgery. Introduction. The fascia and the muscles of the vagina prevent the bladder from pushing into the vagina. Select true or false. Correct. Muscle straining during childbirth can cause a cystocele. Select true or false. Correct. All cystoceles require surgery. Select true or false. Correct. Mild grade 1 cystocele may not need treatment. The healthcare provider may recommend avoiding heavy lifting, doing Kegel exercises, or using a pessary. You will have a urinary catheter for a period of time after the cystocele operation. Select true or false. Correct. You will have a Foley catheter or a suprapubic catheter for a week or two after the operation. Are heart attacks and other anesthesia-related complications common during and after this operation? Select yes or no. Correct. Anesthesia is safe, but the older you are and the more medical problems you have had, the higher the risks. You should tell your anesthesiologist about any medical problems you have had in the past, such as heart attacks and lung problems. Are infections common after surgery? Select yes or no. Correct. Infections are not common, and serious infections are rare. Even though infections are rare, they may still happen. After a successful cystocele procedure, there is a risk that the cystocele may recur. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.